Drive with me to downtown Kingston as we head to the market. Anything said in the car conversation was not meant to offend anyone.
Some controller for the car, if you look for the back controller. Can't check the bushing one.
I don't know nothing about the car. I will have to find nothing. You're saying it out loud to think, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So. Dear Lord, please God be with us as we the remaining of our journey. Thank you for carrying us this far.
I'm
gonna dig up. What happened? Alternate route.
Parents shouldn't be the bad down this, you know. Every minute them switch back them bus, you know, and switch back for them down there. Or the switch back for our run come down there.
Where we just saw the detour?
Yeah, when we down at all. They want to sign to switch back, you know. And down the south, the sound series always on look on them posts still in front. I'm going to carry enough on it with.
So it owned by Adventist or them just know so them
and it's not the first time.
Or them just know that Adventist shop there, so they're telling them about the Sabbath. Fortis Kingston College, yeah?
Are them see it as an essential something?
I could never see that as essential service.
I am just saying. To ask a question.
The North Street Seventh-day Adventist Church, the oldest Seventh-day Adventist church in Jamaica. Malora, which part road is the name, Malora?
Town.
In the Huntington Town.
You just say a while ago, North Street. And North Street you did a while ago.
Oh.
You just said a while ago.
Oh. Late for church, man. We're like 24 hours. National Land Agency.
Baptist. Charles. E. Benjamin.
What is roadblock?
Same something I tell about.
The sewage. Boss Design, Furniture Design. Very popular furniture store in the heart of downtown Kingston. Siboney Channery Lane.
What is that?
It now make your cross, you know. I blew him up, one
Ice cream.
ice cream, man.
I wonder what he is happy.
It was an awful
Sound
sound.
like one goat I got dead right now. When ball out in throat and last ball at him a ball now.
He might give up the ghost. Wow, look how clean the streets are. Look at that.
Them are from here to yesterday scenes. That's how people come to
You say you're confident that they're
Come
coming?
on, talk clean up, man. This is to stay.
But no.
You couldn't stay.
Well,
so-
we no walk.
Okay. Yesterday I'm done so by later today. Then come on, clean up.
Walk up the road, up further up. That get more complicated to pass.
Sometimes steering the stick to find next time it's
Who feel the pressure? People feel the pain.
why should I sing like that?
It's the trend, my darling.
What is this? She's not young.
It's the
She's not
trend
young-
for
she's not a young
downtown. But you probably did it when she was younger.
chicken. No, obviously if Shanake God make you one way, your body would have already start fix itself already. It's a continuous.
We are just looking somewhere to park
just
now.
somewhere.
We're stopping right here, and then we take you into the market if I'm brave enough.
Shanake.
Something that we said the days with the ABC 4 days no buy for wholesale price. Good charge, I know. A good charge, I know.
Where you want? You not tell me where you want? Tangerine, me not eat my tangerine yet.
Eat one extra
Wanna
one.
eat mine?
Eat one extra one.
That mean you eat mine, boy. You eat an extra
One
one.
extra one and one left in there.
You eat my tangerine.
Buy. You ever see Junior buy it?
Have to cook it with callaloo.
Hello. 3 days a pod. What a pod?
We'll buy carrot already. One face. Oh, that's all right. Then when you the trading sell it.
The bigger one.
You afraid of what?
Ancestors, you know walking for me.
If I laugh in here today.
Big laptop $600, $650 big aisle. Syrup at $200, tin milk at $200. Oats at $50, $100 garlic. Tiger garlic at $100, vinegar
I just want to be you.
Fish market. So we just got the onion for $180. Up the road it was $300 a pound. I'll find up the spot now. Ooh, this precious water wasting.
But I would like you eat my plant of carrot 150 Carrot
Classic, sunsweet classic.
Oh, one the banana chips are 50.
Lady asked me if I didn't want my phone as a warning, so that's where I ended the recording in the market and briefly stopped by a store, then headed home. You want what? No? They said dependent if them use card.